Hi, this is Narmaleshwar. Today I am giving you a demonstration on Chinese remainder theorem. Okay, first you know the definition of the Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder let n1, n2, n3 so on nk are pairwise relative prime integers. Relative prime integers. Let n1, n2, n3 so on nk are the pairwise relative prime integers. Then they exist a1, a2, a3 so on ak or any integers. There exists a unique integer x modulo m that is equal to n1 into n2 into n3 so on to nk. It satisfies the system linear congruence x congruence to a1 mod n1 x is congruence to a2 mod n2 so on congruence to ak mod. This is the Chinese remainder theorem. Okay, now I am explaining the one example. Suppose I am taking the one example, that is example x is equal to x is congruence to 1, 2, 3 mod 5, x is congruence to mod 6, x is congruence to mod 7. Then find the x value. This is the example. Now I am solving this problem with the help of the Chinese remainder theorem. Please watch. Therefore, from the Chinese remainder theorem, a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3 is equal to, these are the a1, a2, A1, A2, A3. Okay. A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 2, A3 is equal to 3. Next, these are the N1, N2, N3. N1 is equal to 5, N2 is equal to 6, N3 is equal to 7. What is the Chinese remainder theorem? How we find out in the x value? With the help of this formula, we find out in the x value. That is, x is equal to A1 M1 Y1 plus A2 M2 Y2 plus A3 M3 Y3. A3 M3 Y3. I am find out in the capital M. Capital M is equal to N1 into N2 into N3. N1 into N2 into N3. One more is there. Mi is equal to capital M by Ni. Capital M by Ni. Using these formulas and these substitutions, and find out in the value. Next, Mi into Yi is equal to congruence to 1 for mod lambda. Mod lambda. Please watch. First I am find out in the capital M. Already you know capital M is equal to M1 into N2 into N3. Capital M is equal to N1 into N2 into N3. 5 into 6 into 7 is equal to 5 into 6 into 7 is equal to 10. Next, capital M1 is equal to capital M by N1. That is equal to 210 by N1 is how much? 5. Capital M2 is equal to capital M2 210 by 6. 6. Next, capital M3 is equal to 210 by 7. What are the final values of M1, M2, M3? Is equal to 210 divided by 5 is equal to 42. 210 divided by 6 is equal to 35. 210 divided by 7 is equal to 30. These are the M1, M2, M3 values. Therefore, M1 is equal to 42, M2 is equal to 35, M3 is equal to 30. M3 is equal to 30. Okay. These two are over. Next one Mi Yi is congruence to mod N. Therefore, capital Mi means of M1. M1 Y1 is congruence to 1 mod N1 is 5. N1 is 5. M1 is 42. Y1 is congruence to 1 mod 5. 42 by 5. is equal to 42 by 5. 5 80s are 40. Remainder is 2. That's why I simply place 2 into y1 is congruence to 1 mod 5. 1 mod 5. 2 is congruence to 1 mod 5. Next, I am multiplying on both sides with 3. 3 into 2, 3 into 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 if you divide 3 1, 5 1s are 5, remainder 1. Okay, there is no problem. Similarly, means in the place of the y is 3. In the place of the y. Therefore, y1 is equal to 3. In this case, y1 is equal to 3. Therefore, y1 is equal to 3. Next, you find out the y2 and also y3. y2 and y3. Therefore, my2 m2 y2 is congruence to mod n2. n2 means 6. m2 is how much? 35 into y2. y2 is congruence to 1 mod 6. 6 how many times divide? How many times divide with 35? 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 5 into y2 is congruence to 1 mod 6. 1 mod 6. 1 mod 6. Okay, multiply with 5 on both sides. 5 into 5. 2 is congruence to 5 into 1 mod 6 and mod 6. 5 into 1 mod 6. Okay. 25. 5 5s are 25. You divide with 2. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 1. It satisfies this condition. Therefore, y2 is equal to 5. Similarly, m3 y3 is congruence to 1 mod m3. m3 is 7. m3 is 7. m3 is 30 into y3 congruence to 1 mod 7. Mod 7. 7 4s. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. That's why remainder is 2. 2 into y3 is congruence to 1 mod 7. 1 mod 7. Okay, you multiply this on both sides. Suppose 7 both sides 4 with 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 4 into 1. 4 2s are 8. You divide with 7. 7 1s are 7. Remainder 1. Therefore, y3 is equal to 4. y3 is equal to 4. y2 is equal to 5. y3 is equal to 4. Therefore, I am substituting these values are into this formula. a1 1 into m1 is 42 into y1 is 3 plus a2 2 into m2 35 into y2 is 5 plus A3, 3 into L3, 30 into Y3, 4 is equal to 1 into 42 into 3 is equal to 126 plus 2